name is Alex.
Hello, my name is Ethan.
Welcome to the intro of proportions.
If you don't know what proportions are, then we will explain them what they are.
Then we will explain how to use them and how we can use them in real life.
Before we start showing you how to use proportions, we need to show you the vocabulary.
The vocabulary you need to know about proportions are denominator, numerator, cross multiplication, and variables.
The denominator is the number below or on the right side of the dash or slash.
The numerator is the number above or to the left side of the dash or slash.
Cross multiplication is when you multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction and vice versa.
A variable is a letter that represents a hidden number. Some examples of these vocab words are the following.
An example of a denominator is 8 over 9. In that fraction, the 9 would be the denominator. In 4 over 7, that would be the 7. In 3 over 13, that would be the 13. And in 7 over 9, the 9 would be the denominator.
Some examples of the numerator would be 4 over 7, which would mean the 4 would be the numerator. In 2 over 4, it would be the 2. In 1 over 7, it would be the 1. And in 8 over 9, the numerator would be the 8.
An example of cross multiplication is 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. You would multiply the 3 and the 10 separate from multiplying the 5 and the 6. After multiplying, both answers came up as 30.
The last example for vocab is the variable. In a situation such as 3 over 4 equals 6 over x, the x would be the variable because it replaces a hidden number.
Now we will show you the vocab in the real world.
A denominator in the real world is the whole part of something.
A numerator in the real world is a part of the whole.
Cross multiplication in the real world, you can find a price of an item with no price tag.
A variable in the real world can be used for any unknown item while using cross multiplication.
Our first example of proportions is 9 over 21 equals 12 over x. To simplify this, you would multiply 9 by x and 21 by 12. This equals 9x equals 252. To get the variable by itself, you need to divide 9 by both sides. That equals x equals 28.
Our second example of proportions is 5 over 9 equals x over 81. To simplify this, you would multiply 5 by 81 and 9 by x. This equals 4 over 5 equals 9 over x. To get the variable by itself, you need to divide both sides by 9. That equals x equals 45.
For this example, 7 over 11 equals 14 over x. You need to multiply 7 by x and 11 by 14. This would give you the equation 7x equals 11 times 14. This simplified is 7x equals 154. To simplify this down, you need to divide both sides by 7. This will give you the final answer of x equals 22.
That is all for now.
The main ideas are that you need to know how to do cross multiplication to do proportions.
Thank you for watching this video on proportions. See you soon.